our comprehensive guide on unlocking the potential of side hustles while working full-time. In today's fast-paced world, earning extra income without sacrificing your main job is more achievable than ever. Side hustles offer flexible and diverse opportunities that can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to monetize a hobby, leverage your skills, or explore new avenues, there's a side hustle for everyone. Imagine boosting your earnings while maintaining the security of your full-time job. It's about finding the right balance and taking control of your financial future. Join us as we explore practical and exciting ways to enhance your income while keeping your career on track. Let's dive in and discover how you can transform your spare time into a lucrative venture. Ready to dive into online retail without the hassle of managing inventory? Open your own store using print-on-demand services. This innovative approach lets you sell custom products tailored to your audience's tastes, all without upfront costs or stock management. Whether it's personalized mugs, t-shirts, or unique art prints, you can cater to those seeking one-of-a-kind items. With minimal investment, focus on creativity and marketing while the logistics are handled by the provider. It's a smart, flexible way to start earning extra income, perfect for anyone balancing a full-time job. Start your journey today and watch your ideas come to life. Unlock the potential of your skills by diving into freelancing. Whether you're adept in writing, design, or marketing, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with global clients. These platforms offer the freedom to choose projects that fit your schedule, making it easier to balance with your full-time job. Imagine turning your talents into cash, working on diverse projects and gaining invaluable experience. Freelancing not only provides extra income, but also enhances your professional portfolio. So why wait? Start leveraging your skills today and open doors to new opportunities in the freelance market. Monetizing your expertise has never been easier. By creating online courses, you can share your knowledge with a global audience and earn money doing what you love. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare provide the tools to design and sell courses on topics you're passionate about. Whether it's cooking, coding, or creative writing, there's a demand for your unique insights. Imagine reaching students worldwide, eager to learn from you. It's not just about income, it's about impact. Take the first step and turn your expertise into a thriving online course. Start today and watch your influence and income grow. Transform your spare room into a lucrative asset by renting it out on Airbnb. This approach allows you to earn passive income with minimal effort. Short-term rentals make the most of your available space, offering flexibility and convenience. With platforms like Airbnb, managing bookings and guests becomes easy, freeing you from traditional property management complexities. Whether you have an extra room or an entire property, this side hustle can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle, providing a steady stream of income. Embrace the opportunity to turn unused space into a financial advantage while maintaining your full-time job. Unlock a simple way to earn extra cash with online surveys. Your opinions are valuable, and companies are willing to pay for them. Spend a few minutes sharing your thoughts and watch your earnings grow. By joining multiple survey platforms, you increase your chances of finding opportunities that fit your schedule. It's a flexible side hustle you can do from home, on your lunch break, or during downtime. Whether commuting or relaxing, online surveys provide a convenient way to boost your income. So why not get started today? Your opinions could be the key to extra financial freedom. Looking for a side hustle that offers flexibility and fits seamlessly into your life? Consider driving for Uber or Lyft. You can set your own hours, making it perfect for those with a full-time job. Not only will you earn extra income, but you'll also meet new people and explore your city in a whole new way. It's an opportunity to work on your terms with the freedom to drive when it suits you. Whether you're looking to cover extra expenses or save up for something special, ride-sharing can be a rewarding and adaptable option. So why not take the wheel and start earning today? Unleash your artistic side and turn your creativity into profit by selling crafts online. Platforms like Etsy offer a vast marketplace for handmade goods, allowing you to reach customers who appreciate unique and personalized items. With the arts and crafts market booming, there's never been a better time to showcase your talents. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or bespoke gifts, your creations can capture the attention of buyers worldwide. This is your chance to tap into a growing industry and earn from what you love doing. Gather your materials, let your imagination run wild, and start crafting your way to success and extra income today. As we wrap up our journey through the world of side hustles, it's clear there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for you. From selling custom products online to freelancing your skills, each option offers a unique path to supplement your income while maintaining your full-time job. Whether you're looking to monetize a hobby or explore new skills, there's something here for everyone. Imagine the potential earnings from just a few hours a week. Statistics show that dedicating even a small amount of time to a side hustle can significantly boost your monthly income. It's not just about the money, though. It's about the freedom and flexibility to choose what works best for you, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. We've explored diverse methods, from creating online courses and participating in surveys to driving for ride-sharing services and renting out your property. Each side hustle comes with its own set of benefits, allowing you to tap into your strengths and interests. Now, it's time to take action. Think about your skills, your passions, and how you can turn them into a profitable venture. The first step is to explore these opportunities further, assess which ones align with your goals, and dive in. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step, and today could be the beginning of yours. So why wait? Start your side hustle journey today. Explore, experiment, and find the perfect fit for your skills and lifestyle. With the right mindset and a bit of effort, you can unlock new income streams and achieve the financial flexibility you desire. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of side hustles, and we wish you success in your endeavors. Happy hustling.